Have you suddenly noticed muffled hearing, difficulty following conversations, or needing to turn the TV volume up more than usual? You might be surprised to learn that earwax buildup is one of the most common causes of temporary hearing loss. At Hearing First Barnet, many people visit us thinking they need hearing aids, only to discover impacted earwax is the main issue. Earwax plays an important role in protecting the ear, but too much of it can block sound from traveling properly into the ear canal. This may cause symptoms like blocked ears, reduced hearing, tinnitus, dizziness, or discomfort. The good news is that professional earwax removal can often improve hearing almost immediately. Our experienced audiologist uses safe and modern techniques, including microsuction, to help remove stubborn wax effectively. If you live in Barnet and your hearing suddenly seems worse, don't ignore it or rely on cotton buds, which can push wax deeper. A professional ear health check could be the fastest way to hear clearly again. Sometimes it's not hearing loss at all, it's just earwax.